Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the petite powerhouse Nichole. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Daily Try-On. This is my first try-on of January 2023 and I'm super excited to show you some amazing pieces that we have in store. So let's get into it. So the first piece I have on is this Janice dress. This is from a new brand that we are carrying. It's called Franza. This is 100% viscose. It feels super great, very lightweight. So I love that I can definitely transition this from spring right into summer, just switching up my footwear and accessories. It's got some pockets with a drawstring in the waist. There are buttons, I believe they go all the way down. It is a 3/4 length sleeve. However, I am super tall at 4'11", so this is more like hits me right at my wrist. I love this piece. I'm very excited to see what else we have from Franza, so stay tuned. Okay, so back with another head to toe fabulous outfit. I am obsessed, and you guys know that I don't do pants. I don't like pants. But I don't know, they're growing on me. So these are a wide leg denim from Dex, and I am obsessed. They are high-waisted. They're actually supposed to be like a cropped style wide leg, but I'm super short, so they're a full-length pant on me. Like, obsessed. I love them so much. And then I have paired them with this great white blouse from Dex as well. I'm not sure of the material. It's like a little bit of a sheen. It almost feels sort of satiny, but probably not really. A great layering piece. And then this amazing Dex moto jacket. I love a moto jacket. And this petal pink is absolutely stunning. I think this definitely makes me feel very put together. I think this might be my favorite outfit of the try-on, but we'll see. And you can let us know at the end. All right, look number 3. Okay, so I'm back with outfit number 3. So this is my Friday outfit. Off on Fridays, so I usually run errands, pick up my kids after school. So this is just the perfect outfit. So I kept on those wide leg denim jeans from Dex, and then I've paired it with this really sweet tank top. This is from Soy Concept. It's just a ribbed knit. It has like a satiny material for the bands. We do have this in a couple of different colors. They look fantastic on, super comfortable. And then I've just paired that with one of these cardigans from Soy Concept as well. And it's my perfect little mom on the go outfit. What do you guys think? Okay, so back in outfit number 4, these pants have got me feeling some type of way. I've literally had them on like this entire try-on because I'm obsessed with them. So I have paired them for, this is an outfit that I would probably wear to work with this, fun little hat that we have in stock. I have paired it with one of these blouses from Franza. This is called the Kate. So it is quite long. I've tried to like tuck it in, tried to pull the Warna. So I'll show you how generous this is. This is the extra large, and I'm like a 16. I would generally gravitate more towards like a 1X. So it is quite spacious. Unfortunately, I'm super short, so it just sort of looks like a Johnny shirt, but we can tuck it and a fun little worn away and have a super cute put together outfit for work. All right, so for look number 5, my last outfit of the try on, again with these Dex jeans. I can't help it. I have pulled this new sweater from Dex. This is called the Mallory. This is the extra large. It is very oversized. It's very long. It kind of reminds me like a little bit of like Moon Mist, very like pale pastel-y colors. Unfortunately, it washes me out, but I wanted to show it to you because it is such a beautiful piece. It's got the little kangaroo pocket, and I think it has it has a hood. I don't do hoods, so I won't put that up. But you can come and try it on and see how super cute it looks on you. And don't forget to tell us what was your favorite look of the day. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.